Three identical star-connected coils are supplied with 440 volts, 50 Hz, and three-phase supply. A single-phase wattmeter whose current coil is connected in line A and the pressure coil across line A and the neutral reads 6 kilowatt. If the ammeter connected in line A reads 30 ampere, find the reactance of its coil. Okay, so to answer the problem that we had is, ang unang gawin natin, we need to put first given para mas madaling malaman natin at madaling masubaybayan kung ano talagang kailangan or anong wala. So, we have the voltage of 440 and then we have the current of 30 ampere and also we have the 6 kilowatt. Now, sabi sa problem kanina na find the reactance of a single phase. Okay, so which is X. So before we dive into that unknown or yung hinahanap natin, we need to consider this formula, which is X or the impedance, I mean the reactance, equals 3b squared sine theta cos theta over power. Okay, so meron tayong P sa given, so meron din voltage sa given, so okay, so ang wala lang sa formula na to is the angle, this one. Now, paano ba natin kunin ang angle? So therefore, simply by getting the power factor. Okay, so power factor equals the power over the voltage times the current. Tama? Now, plug lang natin. 6,000 watts over 440 over square root of 3 times 30 equals 0.787. So, yan ang ating power factor. Now, since meron na tayong power factor, masasolve natin yung hinahanap natin na reactance. So, paano ba natin makuha? Simply by plug in the value. So, 3 yung voltage natin 440 square root of 3 squared. Teka muna, parang hindi makasya. Okay, so erase mo natin. Okay, so dito 3 yung V natin 440 over square root of 3 squared sine yung power factor natin 0.77 cos theta is also called as our power factor, and it's 7 all over the power, which is 6,000 watts. Now, we can now have the value of the reactance in a single phase, which is 5.22 ohms. Okay, yan lang. Madali lang. By using this formula. Ito lang tandaan yung formula na to. Okay, that's all. Thank you.